Car today? Oh, are you recording? Okay. All right. What is up? Welcome back. It is me, Mr. Scott, here to introduce the Chevy Equinox. Is it Equinox?
Yeah.
Okay. The Chevy Equinox, which is getting a full correction done. So today, what we have here is a blue Equinox where we will be doing a two-stage correction, which entails a full prep. That's going to be our wash decontamination process with the clay bar to remove any type of embedded contaminations. And then after that, we dry it up and then use our compounding to remove some swirl marks, take out any minor scratches, and fill in wherever there may be some defects, and then do a polish just to brighten up the surface and bring back some type of shine to rejuvenate the paint surface. And then after that, we're gonna be installing our new CarPro CQUARTZ Finest coating. I should have a bottle. Welcome back, and we are back to introducing this newly finished Chevy Equinox. So as you can see, it has a deep blue shine to it, and what we did was install CQUARTZ Finest, which is a new formula I told you guys about with the D-quartz that's been integrated into it. So we did the compound to reduce the swirl marks, then the polishing to bring out the rejuvenation of that shine in the finish. You can see that shine reflecting on the taillights, as that's mainly reflecting off the polish and the coating, and also on the black trim parts. And then in these door handles, we also prepped that up. So we got in there with a towel and some sort of hard card, whichever one fit the angle, and then we just went across these plastic edges just to clean it up a bit. But you could also see that the shine is reflecting on the trim panels. So the chrome we also applied coating on, and even if you come up right here on the mirror, we also installed some coating on that. So you'll see that's a nice, I would say a rejuvenated black glossish finish to that trim piece. Besides that, the plastic linear, we have CarPro Reload installed on that, and the tires have been dressed with tire shine. The rims also were coated. So we coated the face, we coated the barrels, and then we got inside of the calipers, whatever was doable due to the finishing on those calipers. And then we did 2 coatings of that so that the wheels could just be easier to clean off. Once they get brake dust, it likes to build up. So next time this customer comes in to clean it, it's just going to be more easier to clean off since it's hydrophobic. And as you could see on the front, it has the carbon fiber matte finish, which we've also touched up on, and it still has that matte look. So we're happy with how that turned out. It wasn't able to, well, not that it wasn't able to, but it kept it at a matte finish rather than a gloss. So we are appreciative of this product being able to be flexible within that nature. It's giving you the desires of getting the hardness and protection and the quality that it could deliver upon different type of circumstances. But besides that, we did also ceramic coat all windows, including the sunroof, with G-Force, which is a high-end CarPro CQUARTZ coating that is able to make the windows water repellent, just as is the paint. So that's just gonna make it easier for you to see, extremely easier when it is raining outside, which is a hazard which none of us wants to deal with. But because of that, we are able to now use less of the wipers, or use it in combination of the wipers, just to help you see through the road, especially when it's dark outside. So besides that, we were able to, let me get the keys. Where the fuck's the keys? Dude, where's the fucking keys? Okay. Besides that, we finished up the interior with just a wipe down and a light vacuum. We did that to the front and the rear, and also the trunk. Besides that, yeah, that was it. That was all that was done to the car. And then now, since all of this is done, now we could finally install the license plate and then get our pamphlets together and wrap it up for this customer, as we're seeing with this nice finish. We're happy with how it turned out. So that's all for this episode. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for consistently watching us. We're very appreciative of you guys just supporting us, the family. As some of you may know or may not know, there's actually family included into this business. So this is a very small connected team. We all work together, and anything that you do in terms of just watching our videos or bringing in the cars, just even watching or sharing, is very appreciative, as it helps us grow and get our name out into the world. So we're very thankful of that. And now I have to stop being serious. It's not Will, it's not Kyle, it's not Charlie, it's not Griffin, it's not Travis, it's not Christy, it's not whoever else tried to work here or whatever, or wants to work here, but it's Scott. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next episode.